Alright, so for the next sexually transmitted infection, which we get to look at, is what is known as a herpes simplex virus infection, the HPV. Alright, herpes simplex virus infection. So for the herpes simplex virus infection, we said that it's a highly contagious virus. Alright, that means it can be able to spread from one human to another. Alright, so it causes lifelong infections, often with recurring outbreaks. Okay, so there are two main types. We have the herpes simplex virus type 1, we have the herpes simplex virus type 2. Alright, so both of them can affect multiple areas of the body. Okay, so for the type 1, mostly affects the mouth, the face. Okay, transmission is oral contact, maybe kissing, you are sharing utensils and all have you. Okay, what again? Type 2 is the genitals. That one is sexual contact. So both of them can cause oral and genital herpes depending on the exposure. Alright, so if somebody has in the mouth, you guys are practicing oral sex, you can move from the mouth to the genitals. Do you understand? So symptoms is it just depends on the site of infection and whether if it is a primary or if it's a recurrent stuff that you have actually been exposed to. So oral herpes is tingling, itching, fluid-filled blisters, around the mouth and all of that. You could see this. Then genital herpes is all those painful blisters or ulcers, during urination. It is burning during urination. So other areas, you can have herpetic whitlow, you can have herpes keratitis, that's for the eye. Alright, you can even move to the brain. Alright, stages of infection is primary infection is your first exposure. Alright, where it has to now stay for a while, Then depends on what? Depends on the things on ground. It can now become reactivated, So treatment, there's no cure, but you can just use antiviral therapies basically to reduce the spread. So acyclovir, valacyclovir, famciclovir, topical creams for cold sores, daily suppressive therapy, right, and all of that. So it can be passed to newborns during delivery. Alright, especially if the mother has an active infection. So you guys should be careful out there.